Hello everyone, let's see question number 5 from exercise number 12.2. In a circle of radius 21 centimeter, an arc subtends an angle of 60 degree at the center. Find the length of arc, area of the sector formed by arc, and third part is area of the segment formed by the corresponding chord. Let's draw the figure according to the question. This is the circle. Let me take O as center, and given radius of this circle is 21 centimeter. An arc subtends an angle of 60 degree. So firstly I will draw one of the radius, then I will draw one more radius such that angle made by those two radius is equal to 60 degree. OB is the radius. Between these two radius angle is 60 degree. Now A and B on the circle. If I join A to B, AB becomes chord of this circle. In this question, they're asking you to find out length of the arc. In first part, they're asking you to find out the length of the arc. Let's see from the figure. I'm using blue color. Length of arc is this one, from B to A. Firstly, we will write the data whatever given in the question. Given radius is 21 centimeter, so OA is 21 centimeter, OB also 21 centimeter. So I am writing here radius equal to OA equals to OB equals to 21 centimeter. And angle subtended by this arc AB is equal to 60 degree. I am writing it as theta. Theta is equals to 60 degree. Now let's see first part. In first part they are asking you to find out the length of the arc. We have already seen the formulas before starting exercise number 12.2. So we know that length of arc L equals to theta by 360 degree multiply by 2 pi r. Let's put the values according to question. 60 upon 360, 0 0 cancel, multiply by 2 multiply pi value we can take it as 22 by 7, multiply by given radius is 21 centimeter. So again cutting is there, 7 1, 7 3 0, then 6 1 0, 6 6 0. Now by 3, 3 2 0, 3 1 0. Now by 2, cutting is there, 2 1 0, then 2 1 0, get cancelled. Now finally we got 22 centimeter as length of arc. Now let's see second part. They're asking you to find the area of sector formed by arc. See the figure, they're asking you to find out the area of sector formed by the arc. Let's see. I am shading those portions which we ought to find out. This is the sector formed in this figure. So we need to find out the area of this shaded portion. That means area of sector we need to find out. Let's see. We have already seen the formula of area of sector before starting exercise number 12.2. We know that area of sector is equals to theta by 360 degree multiply by pi r square. Let's put the values according to question. 60 upon 360 multiply by pi value is 22/7 r square, that means r should be multiplied 2 times, so 21 multiply 21, so here 0 0 cancel, 6 1s are 6 6 are, then 7 1s are 7 3s are, then 2 3s are 2 11s are, 3 3 get cancelled. Now we got 11 multiply 21, that is equals to 231 centimeter square. Now let's see the third part. In third part, they're asking you to find out the area of segment formed by the corresponding chord. What is the corresponding chord here? AB is the corresponding chord. Okay, already you know what is minor segment and what is major segment, that we already discussed before starting exercise number 12.2. We can go through those videos. Let me share the portion which we have to find out. This is the portion we need to find out in third part, which is green colored. We know that area of segment is equals to, we need green portion from this figure. That means from area of sector, if we subtract area of triangle OAB, then we will get the required area of segment. Okay, let's write those portions. Area of sector minus area of triangle OAB. Again, we no need to write the formula of area of sector, that we have already found in previous part, that is 231 centimeter square. I am replacing that value. 231 centimeter square minus area of triangle OAB, that is r square by 2 sine theta. 231 minus r square by 2, r value given 21, so 21 multiply 21 divided by 2 multiply by sine theta. Theta is given, angle is 60 degree, so we can write it as sine 60 degree. 231 minus 441 upon 2 multiply by sine 60 value, you know, root 3 by 2. So after doing all the calculations, we will get here 190.95, that is equals to 40.05 centimeter square.